Hello guys! In the last video we finished section 2 of chapter 1. Today we will be starting chapter 1 section 3 using chemical formulas. First of all, I will just tell you something basically about chemical formula. Chemical formulas are not only used to calculate the number of atoms, it's also used to calculate a lot of different things. So simply, chemical formulas indicates the number of atoms, but not only this, it's used to find a lot of different things like formula masses, the number of moles, the number of atoms in an element, molar mass, and percentage composition. So I will teach you all of those, how to find them, their formulas, and more. First of all, we will be starting with formula mass. So formula mass formula is the number of atoms times average atomic mass. It's equal to formula mass. So this is the formula for formula mass. Okay, so first of all, I will need you guys to memorize this formula. It's important. The number of atoms times average atomic mass is equals to formula mass. Okay, I'll give you an example so it's gonna be more clear. Find the formula mass of water or hydrogen dioxide. The average atomic mass of hydrogen element is 1.01 and the average atomic mass of oxygen is 16.00. So we will use the formula, the number of atoms. So the number of atoms of hydrogen is 2 here, is 2. So we will tell that 2 hydrogen atoms times 1.01 AMU, because the average atomic mass of the hydrogen is actually 1.01 AMU. So, but in some questions it may be different. It may not be giving you the average atomic mass in the question itself. It may give you the periodic table, so you have to find it yourself in the periodic table. So you will find the average atomic mass under the element's name. For example, I want to find the hydrogen average atomic mass, so I will look at the under of its name, so I will find it. It's 1.01 as illustrated in this equation. So okay, we now multiply the number of atoms, which is 2 hydrogens, times its average atomic mass, which is 1.01 AMU, which is equals to 2.02 AMU. So what did we find here is that we find there are 2 hydrogen atoms, and the 2 hydrogen atoms formula mass is 2.02. But we're not quite done, because we didn't find the formula mass for H2O. We only find the formula mass for 2 atoms of hydrogen. So second, we're gonna go to find the oxygen's formula mass. So 1 oxygen atom, because it's 1, you see. So 1 oxygen atom times, as illustrated in the periodic table, 16.00 and given in the question. So 1 times 16.0 AMU is gonna, of course, equals to gonna be 16.00 AMU. So here we're not quite done again, because we now just know the formula mass of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So simply we are just gonna add those two and we will get the formula mass of the compound, which is water or H2O, which is 18.02 AMU. Okay, this is now the formula mass of water or H2O. So guys, please, I want you to memorize this formula. It's too important, and if you didn't understand, you can comment me below. Don't forget, read the description. It's important a lot. So in this page, formula mass, its formula is really important, and solve a lot of examples more. I will put them in the description. Don't forget to take a look at the description. Okay, so the second one is the molar mass, as you see here. So because of this, we will be starting with the molar mass second. So how to find the number of moles? How to find the number of moles? Okay, so the number of atoms divided by 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23. This is going to give you the number of moles in any chemical formula. Okay, so if you have the number of atoms, You can simply find the number of moles. Okay, so it's equals to the number of moles. This is a formula to find the number of moles, like the formula mass. Okay, so here we will use the formula, like the formula mass, to solve questions. An example: how many moles of silver Ag are in 3.01 times 10 to the power 23 atoms? Okay, you can find this question in the book. I think it's a simple problem. Okay, so let's just start solving. First of all, you will just write the number of atoms. What is the number of atoms is illustrated in the question, which is 3.01 times 10 to the power of 23. So you will write that and then divide it by the formula number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23. So here, if you're not good at multiplication and division, simply use your calculator and you will get an answer like this. You can round it to this one. Okay, so 0.499833942 is too long, so to make it minimize, you can just round it to 0.5. So 0.5 moles are produced in this chemical formula. Okay, so the next one we will be starting with the molar mass. Because molar mass is super easy, I started with finishing the molar mass. Okay, so here to find the molar mass, you will just use the same formula for the formula mass. Okay, the same formula for the formula mass. So, and I have prepared the same question as formula mass's question. Okay, so find the molar mass of H2O or water, which is its popular name. The average atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.01, and you can find this in the periodic table. And the average atomic mass of oxygen is 16.0. So here, just use this formula to find the formula mass. Okay, so I teach you how to find the formula mass. Find the formula mass. Okay, the formula mass is 18.02 AMU. So what about the molar mass? How can I find the molar mass? Quite simply, just delete that. Just delete this AMU and make it grams per mole. Okay, so 18.02 grams per mole is the molar mass of water or H2O. Super simple, huh? So if you have any question, guys, please comment me below. Don't forget to read the description, it's really important. See you guys in the next video later.